Gaining enlightenment, a state of deep understanding and awareness, is a highly personal and often spiritual journey that can take various forms depending on individual beliefs and practices. Here are some steps that many people find helpful on the path to enlightenment. 1. Self-reflection and inner work. Meditation. Regular meditation practice helps calm the mind, increase self-awareness, and foster a deeper connection with your inner self. Mindfulness practice being fully present in the moment. Mindfulness can help you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences can help you understand your inner workings and track your personal growth. 2. Seek knowledge and wisdom. Study sacred texts. Depending on your spiritual path, reading sacred texts like the Bible, the Tao Te Ching, or Buddhist scriptures can provide valuable insights. Learn from teachers. Seek out teachers, mentors, or spiritual guides who can provide guidance and support on your journey. 3. Practice compassion and kindness. Serve others. Engage in acts of kindness and service to others. Helping others can foster a sense of connection and purpose. Cultivate compassion. Practice empathy and understanding towards others, recognizing the shared human experience. Live a balanced and ethical life. Follow ethical guidelines or principles that align with your beliefs. This could include nonviolence, honesty, and respect for all living beings. Maintain a healthy body and mind through proper nutrition, exercise, and adequate rest. Detach from materialism and ego. Simplify your life by reducing unnecessary possessions and focusing on what truly matters. Work on letting go of ego-driven desires and attachments. Recognize that true happiness comes from within, not from external achievements or possessions. Seek connection with the divine or higher self. Engage in prayer, rituals, or devotional practices that connect you with the divine or your higher self. Spend time in nature to feel a deeper connection with the universe and the natural world. Be patient and persistent. Enlightenment is a journey that requires consistent effort and dedication. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Understand that challenges and obstacles are part of the journey. Learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth. Embrace non-duality and unity. Strive to see beyond dualities and recognize the interconnectedness of all things. Understanding that we are all part of a larger whole can lead to a profound sense of unity and peace. Remember that the path to enlightenment is unique for each individual. It's important to find what resonates with you and aligns with your beliefs and values. Trust your intuition and follow the practices that bring you closer to a state of inner peace and understanding.